Hello everyone, my name is Edison G. Pascual from BSN 2-4 and I will be sharing 3 things from my playlist na I think represents human flourishing. So, yung una kong kanta is Fight Song by Rachel Platten. This song really inspires me kasi it talks about inner strength. Kahit minsan feeling natin maliit tayo sa mundo, may lakas pa rin tayo to stand up, to fight, and to prove na we can overcome challenges. For me, flourishing means learning to rise above difficulties and trusting myself that I can achieve something. And yung second song ko naman is Hall of Fame by The Script. Ito naman yung super motivating for me kasi it's about believing in yourself and striving for greatness. And yung flourishing para sa akin ay hindi lang yung mabuhay ng simple, kundi yung merong growth. Yung nakikita natin yung best version ng sarili natin habang natutupad yung mga pangarap natin. This song pushes me to think na, yes, I can be in my own Hall of Fame, not necessarily sikat, but someone who made a difference. And finally, I picked What a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong as my third song. Kasi classic siya pero sobrang meaningful. And yung song na to reminds me to pause and appreciate the beauty of life. Tsaka yung flourishing is not just about achievements or success. It is also about gratitude, happiness, and appreciating the little things around us. Kagaya ng pamilya natin, yung nature, and yung love na natatanggap natin, and yung binibigay natin sa kapwa natin. And of course, syempre yung peace na nakapaligid sa atin. So, yun po yung tatlong song na napili ko na I think na nagre-represent sa human flourishing. And now, dumako naman tayo sa reflection ko kung paano ko ma-achieve yung good life ko personally. So, para sa akin po, living a good life is about balance between 3 things. First, bilang isang nursing student, my career aspiration is to become a compassionate and competent nurse. Someone na hindi lang nagtatrabaho for income, but also to serve and help others. Pero hindi lang career yung mahalaga sa akin. I also value my relationships with my family and friends. Kasi sila yung nagbibigay ng support, love, at lakas para ipagpatuloy ko yung mga pangarap ko. And yung second naman is yung health. Health is also a big part of my good life. Naniniwala ako na we cannot flourish if we don't take care of ourselves. Kaya importante para sa akin na yung kailangan meron tayong tamang pahinga, pagkain, at pangangalaga, hindi lang physically, kundi mentally and emotionally sa sarili natin. And yung third naman, of course, my faith plays a central role. I believe that spiritual fulfillment gives meaning to everything I do. Kahit anong success yung makuha ko, kung wala akong relationship with God, parang may kulang. Kaya yung prayers, reflection, and faith keeps me grounded and give me direction in my life. So, yun po yung reflection ko for about achieving my good life. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.